Hello everyone. Today I am excited to present my project, TreeMatch, Tree Planting Advisor and Recommendation App. This app aims to support South Africa's 10 million trees program by providing users with precise recommendations on which trees to plant based on local conditions. To give you context, South Africa 10 Million Trees Program is a major initiative led by the Department of Forestry, Fishery and the Environment. The goal is to plant 10 million trees over 5 years to enhance environmental sustainability and achieve socio-economic benefits. However, there is a significant gap in the guidance provided to participants regarding which trees to plant and when to plant them. Specifically, there is a lack of insufficient information on how to choose the right tree species for specific local soil conditions and climate, and also there is inadequate guidance to participants. They do not have access to precise recommendations that consider ecological factors and the suitability of tree species for their specific locations. There is a missed uh, environmental impact. Without proper guidance, the effectiveness of tree planting efforts can be compromised, potentially reducing the environmental benefit and success of the program. So to counter this, our app TreeMatch addresses these issues provided by providing a user-friendly platform that delivers precise recommendations for tree planting based on local soil conditions, climate, and ecological factors. Some of our key features are local recommendations. The app analyzes user input regarding soil conditions and the location to suggest the most suitable tree species for that location. It also provides comprehensive data integration by integrating data from plant and soil APIs to ensure accurate and relevant recommendations. It also provides enhanced user experience with an intuitive interface. Users can easily navigate through information and make informed decisions on tree planting. The impact of our app will be an effective contribution. The users can contribute more effectively to the 10 million trees program by planting the right trees in optimal locations. They also maximize the environmental benefits by ensuring appropriate tree selections and placement. The app enhances the overall environmental impact and success of the tree planting initiative. And the learning objectives for this project are to deepen my understanding of full stack development, uh, to learn to fetch and display real time data from external APIs, to work with geospatial data to provide location based recommendation for tree planting, and to utilize mapping tools and geolocation services to enhance the app's functionality. Also, to learn more about environmental awareness and to apply technology to address environmental sustainability challenges by promoting effective tree planting practices. I would also learn more about user centered design by building a responsive and intuitive user interface to ensure a seamless user experience. The technologies used for front end would be React with Semantic UI or Bootstrap for styling and Axios for data fetching. On the back end, I would use either Flask or Spring Boot to create RESTful APIs. And for the database, I would go with MySQL for storing user inputs and data. And then for deployment and hosting, I would go with AWS AC2 or DigitalOcean for the backend. And then for the front end, I'll go with Netlify or GitHub Pages. And I'll also work on the Docker for containerization depending on time and learning ability. The third party services that I will be using will be the Plant ID API, which provides comprehensive information on tree species and their growing conditions. The Soil API offers detailed analysis of soil condition based on user location, and GeoJSON will be used to obtain uh, location coordinates to enhance our geospatial features. Challenges that are anticipated will be to ensure smooth data fetching and display from the APIs, will be to validate the accuracy and the relevance of data provided by the APIs, to create an intuitive and responsive user interface, as well as to manage or balance the feature complexity with our project timeline, to design the app to handle increased traffic and data volume, to implement robust security measures to protect user data, and managing deployment and ensuring smooth operation post launch. The timeline or our work schedule uh, for the project, which comprises of 4 weeks, is to finalize research on API, design mockups, and set up the project management board on Trello on week 1. On week 2 is to build the basic front-end structure with the React and integrate the Soil API, including the GeoJSON integration, to make sure we have the to be for the user to be able to pick their location based on a drop down. On week 3 is to complete the integration with the plant API and refine the user interface. And then on week 4 is to finalize our UI UX and then conduct testing, and then to deploy the app and prepare for the final presentation. I'll be designing 3 pages, namely the home page, the tree information page, and the soil information. And then here I've provided a simple user flow to specify how the app will be, how the app works. The landing page, the first step will be for the user to land on the home page, and then they can input the location or tree information or navigate to other pages. The second step will be for the user to input the location or tree data. The user will enter their location by choosing from a drop down their location, or by providing the plant details. For example, they can provide the image of the plant they want to plant or the name to get the details, and then they'll click on get recommendation to proceed. On step 3, the user is directed to a page with recommended tree species based on their location and soil condition, or based on their plant details. They can view detailed information about each tree and detailed soil analysis and recommendations. And they also have the option to return to home page or explore the additional resources. In summary, uh, TreeTech is designed to support the 10 million trees program by providing users with valuable information on tree planting and soil conditions. Our application will integrate real-time data from APIs and offer an intuitive user interface to help users make informed decisions. Thank you for your time.